Well boys, I haven't been active lately here on YouTube by some different reasons, but now I have a lead on a 50cc scooter that I will go and grab this following week from January 14th to somewhere between the 14th January and the 20th January. I calculated that it cost around $100 with per case, with gas money to get it, around $100 in total, and the exhaust system that is following with this scooter is a performance exhaust branded Hebo, and only that exhaust costs over $243 USD new. So you can calculate it, $100 for the per case with the pipe, and I calculated that I might even go on profit by only selling the exhaust, and then I have the rest to sell: engine parts, plastic, lights, wheels and tires, well, almost everything. I don't know if it's fully complete, but I know it's not working, and I can do a nice profit from it. I think I can double, at least double my expenses, and in the best case scenario I can triple it, so I can make like $300 total from it, or something like that. I hope so. Let's see what the week says. My transportation buddies are on hold, ready for the call to go and pick it up. So I will talk with you maybe next time, the 21th of January, because now I'm starting my warehouse and forklift education for at least 9 weeks, so I only have the weekends to do my stuff. And then I have to sell the parts, so maybe next week, well, not next week, but week 4, January 21st or something, I can start post parts on Swedish eBay and Swedish Craigslist and things like that, so we can see what it can be. So, see ya! Comment, like and subscribe for more videos.